remember? The street number Marina Avenue, I used to look at big piles of flowers at the park. Maria's sport makeup, not for the rest of my Maria. You have pictures? Well, important parents. Fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Being here in one glorious day is a proof that we have become independent. I could still remember the day when our advisor in grade 2, Teacher Young, told me and a few of my classmates to stay for a while for the mathematics vacation. I was not paying attention then. I left our classroom and went over to my mom, not knowing what I had missed. The next day, Teacher Young told me I forgot it. My mom was surprised and dismayed. Our teacher will give me a special test because there's